Hawaiian roller coaster.
Niganana Krista! We are back. We are going to be opening this Stitch mystery capsule that has 10 surprises inside. One of them might be ooze.
An Oz sensation?
Yes. So let me open the giant Stitch head. Please hold.
Look at how cute.
He is precious. Just Play did a really nice job of making the mold of his head. Can I easily open it? I can. Oh my goodness gracious. That's squishy. That's not. You're a figurine. This is the ooze. This is some kind of cup. I don't know. This is something Stitch shaped. Maybe a keychain and looks like a little surfboard.
Look at that face. Really, just the playability for you with a mask is like...
I know. This is a box that I will be keeping.
All right, let's get started with... Okay.
I decided. Oh, there's a little Tsum Tsum Stitch. Oh, he's so cute. I wasn't expecting there to be a Tsum Tsum in here.
I wasn't either.
I'm excited because I don't have this Stitch Tsum Tsum. I have the Scrump one, and I have like 3 of the Scrump ones. So now I've got a slightly bigger Stitch to go with the Scrump.
Okay.
On to the next one. Oh, it's a little Stitch keychain. How cute. Oh, it's angled.
It's cute.
Yes. Okay, this is my ooze. We're not going to play with this right now. Maybe we'll play with
The
it at
ooze
the end.
Oz sensation.
Yes, here's our ooze.
Oh, it's slime.
It's Stitch ooze. Is there anything in the Stitch ooze? No, it's just ooze.
But it's green ooze.
It's green ooze. And Oz.
Sensation.
Yes. This is probably like a sticker or something. We'll find out in a second. Hiya! I got it.
Is it a sticker?
I think so. Please hold while I get it out.
Look at the stickers.
Yes, we got 2 stickers. They both say Stitch on them.
What's all the excitement?
We're opening Stitch stuff.
This is definitely up your alley.
Mom, this is not your show right now.
I know, but I just
Yes.
want to see the excitement. Wait, all of that was in here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
Well, you have fun. This is like your Christmas in July.
No, I already have my own Christmas in July series, lady.
She got a woobles.
This is
Lady.
bye.
Hi. Okay, we have a little surfboard.
I wonder what this is for.
We'll find out. I'm opening this, whatever this is.
Looks like something should be on top.
Maybe there's a figure? Oh, it's a poster.
What's it going to be of? Can I get this without ripping this? Let's see. Yes. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's
It's colorful.
Very cute. Yes, we're gonna just roll that back up.
I am the trash man.
And here is.
Oh, that is pretty. That.
Oh, I love you. 1, you're sparkly. 2, you're in an inner tube. 3, you're a Stitch. Oh, I've still got 2 more left. Wait,
You
there's
have
another
2
figure in here. There's another figure. What is this?
An 8. Oh, no.
Oh my gosh, she's an iridescent angel. She deserves to be covered in glitter. And then the last thing in here is, ooh, a slinky. Oh, it's all stuck together. Ready? Wee! I wonder how well it goes down the stairs.
Are you going to try it?
This is a kit for every Stitch fanatic.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So, what's your favorite? Do we have to ask?
They're glittery and cute.
I love Stitch with the duck.
Yes.
Would you recommend this?
Abso-freaking-lutely. If you are a Stitch fan, this is great. This is better than some of the other like blind bags like this that I have opened, because sometimes you're like, wait, this is all you gave me? With the 2 figurines, plus the Tsum Tsum, plus the Slinky, this is definitely worth the money.
All right, we'll come back for another Stitch video.
Bye, everyone.